Welcome to our channel. If you need to test whether the HDMI ports on a used TV or device are functioning properly, follow these step-by-step instructions to verify signal transmission and port condition. Step 1. Gather a working HDMI cable and a known good HDMI source device, such as a laptop, streaming stick, game console, or Blu-ray player that you know outputs a signal. Step 2. Visually inspect the HDMI port on your TV or device for any obvious physical damage, bent pins, debris, or corrosion inside the port. Step 3. Connect one end of the HDMI cable to your source device and the other end to the HDMI port you want to test on your TV. Step 4. Power on both the TV and the source device. Make sure the source device is actively outputting a video signal. Step 5. Use your TV remote to select the correct HDMI input that corresponds to the port you're testing. Most TVs label ports as HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI 3, etc. Step 6. If you see a clear picture and hear audio, the HDMI port is functioning correctly. Note the quality of both video and audio signals. Step 7. If there's no signal, try gently wiggling the HDMI cable while it's connected to see if there's an intermittent connection issue. A loose or worn port may show signal fluctuations. Step 8. Test the same setup with a different HDMI cable to rule out cable problems. If the port works with a different cable, the original cable may be faulty. Step 9. Repeat this testing process for each HDMI port on your TV to ensure all ports are functioning properly. Step 10. Document which ports work and which don't. If any ports fail consistently with multiple cables and devices, they may require professional repair. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.